display data is the method, and click on space, sorry, shift plus enter. Shift enter. So the value is the internal table name LTSO, right? And activate it, execute it. Okay, as usually it is coming like this. Okay, and if you want to display something item information, then that association that will not work in AC38 program. Okay, so that will work in a CDS view only. Otherwise, if you export the data to something UI5 Fiori, then this concept will work other place also. But here in AC38, that will not apply. Right clicking on that one and display the item information, that is not possible here. Okay, and okay, where is it? Yeah, fine. And now what I'm doing, I'm considering something fields VBELN and AUDAT and Kunar. So from this, what are the fields here? Fine. These three fields only I have mentioned. Okay, VBELN, AUDAT, Kunar, and after that one I am mentioning here, right? So from item information, from item table, I want to pick some data. Okay, in a program. So at that time, we have to write. Okay, this is header information, that is fine. And here underscore I, okay, dot matner. I'm just considering the material information from the item table VBAP. Now, how can we consider? How can it is? How can we apply the code? Here, something error is showing. So multiple markers at the line, and dot is invalid here due to grammar, and MATNR is invalid. Okay, but I'm mentioning something I here, but it is showing something error. So what I will do, I will give something slash. Okay, slash I matner I am just maintaining here, and okay, I hyphen I am just maintaining in AC38 programs. If we want to apply something giants or these all things, something tilde we have to give, right? So we have to give like this tilde symbol for giants concept. For here, if we want to use association fields, okay, so we need to apply something space, I mean hyphen, okay, alias name hyphen the field name, and we need to give here some backward slash. If we don't give this backward slash, it will throw error. Okay, unknown underscore a matter. So if we give something backward slash here, then it will accept. Okay, and activate it, execute the program. It is displaying the matter also. Okay, so in the front end, in the application server, nothing is there, just we are selecting the data here. Okay, and it will go to the back end, I mean database layer, and it will do the join concept. Okay, it will apply something join because I'm fetching something I also, I information also. So it will apply something join there, and it will pick the data and it will send to the application server once again. Okay, so this is what the association, and here I want to apply some more associations. Association to KNA1 as A on H dot Kunar is equal to K dot Kunar. I am not mentioning this Kunar here. Instead of the name Kunar, I am mentioning something name 1, comma. So where is the program? the program level, I will keep it in comment. Okay, so whenever we are using this Eclipse or HANA Studio and we are creating something, I mean, we want to keep something data in the program level. At that time, we will give something. We will select the columns and we will click on Control plus left arrow mark, right? So left directly, it will not work here. Okay, so if you want to give like that, you need to select the rows and you need to click on Control Shift arrow mark. Okay, so previously we were doing Control plus arrow mark, left arrow mark, but now Control Shift left arrow mark. Okay, we need to add one more key, Shift here. Okay, otherwise it will not go to comment. And this one also Control Shift and click on Activate. Okay, now I am taking two joins here, two joins. So VBAK with VBAP as well as VBAK with KNA1, right? Now activate it. Okay, it is showing something error. Okay. Come here. The column name 1 is unknown, right? So why it is showing like that? So this is from right hand side table. Okay, right hand side table. So we need to give the alias name for that one. Square k dot name one. Okay, k dot name one is coming. Just save it, activate it. It's activated. Now execute it. Fine, it is working fine here. Okay, BBEL and AUDT and name one. Name one is coming from the KNA1 table. Okay, and if you see something show SQL create statement here, it is applying only, I mean, left outer join only for KNA1 table and not for VBAP. Okay, because I am taking the field from KNA1 but not from VBAP. That is why only one join is applying here. And this is the latest version. And if you come to the previous version, I mean, then what is happening? Here, whatever the fields I am taking in the on condition, here VBA, here VBEL is a key field. I am taking the on condition, right? And here Kunar, I am taking Kunar number in the on condition, right? So we need to mention that Kunar also. Kunar also. If you don't consider this Kunar, then it will throw error in the last version. Okay, but the current version it is applying. So who are working in the low version, so they may get some errors here. Okay, because they have to mention the on condition fields also. Okay, so if you get the type of errors, just try by giving the on condition fields also in the select query, then it will not show you any error. That's what I'm explaining. And coming to the cardinality. Okay, coming to the cardinality means here I am applying something join from VBAK to VBAP, right? So at that time I need to mention to the system how many fields are available from VBAK to VBAP. How many fields are available? Okay, 0 to 1. What I'm telling to the system. So in VBAK table, one record is available. Okay, one record is available. So for that record, zero, so minimum 0 records and maximum 1 record will be there in VBAP table. Okay, so in VBAK, I'm taking 1 record. So I need to map the data to VBAP, right? So at that time, that record, minimum one record will be there, or maximum one, I mean, minimum 0 records will be there, or maximum one record will be there in the VBAP. Okay, but here we need to consider this one. So if you don't maintain this cardinality, see, it is showing something warnings here. Okay, if you check this warning, it is showing like cardinality 1 of association underscore I does not match on condition. It is showing something warning message here. Okay, so if we maintain the cardinality, it will not show any. It is not showing any warning here because I'm maintaining something cardinality. Okay, I'm telling to the system now in VBAK table one record will be there. So for that record, and in VBAP table minimum one record will be there. Minimum one record will be there, and maximum n number of records. We don't know exactly how many records will be there. More than one record. That's why I'm giving here star. Star means I mean more than one record. Okay, and if you guys will assume like this one or star, I mean 1, 2, 3, just assume 1, 2, 3 I'm giving here means this one is coming from VBAK table and this 3 is this 3 will apply to VBAP table. Okay, so that is not right assumption. Okay, I mean the correct one is the cardinality is not applicable for left hand side table. This cardinality will applicable only for right hand side table. Okay, only for right hand side table, and here we are telling to the system minimum one record will be there and maximum 3 records will be there in VBAP table. Okay, here in VBAK 1, 2, 3 the sales document number, for this sales document number in VBAP table minimum one item or maximum 3 items will be there. Okay, here what is the use of this one? So we are telling to the system, so so this many of records will be there, just giving some clue to the system. Okay, to increase the performance. For example, coming to here, cardinality, association, here association is there, and here I will apply something 1 ... 1 means here low and high both values we have to give, otherwise we can give something 1. Okay, so by default it will take something 0 to 1 like that. So what I'm telling to the system here, in VBAK table something customer number 1, 2, 3 is there. So for that customer number 1, 2, 3, one record will available in KNA1 table. Okay, one record will available in KNA1 table. That is the cardinality mentioning here. If you don't mention this one, then what will happen? System has to go to the system KNA1 table and it has to check the multiple records, but only one record will be there. But initially, I'm telling to the system one record is there, so it will pick the first record and it will not check the other records. I mean, the data is there, some more data is there or not, like that. It will not check there. The performance is increasing, bit increasing, not much, but bit increasing here. So that's what I mean. That's the use of the cardinality here. And if you don't know the cardinality, okay, and if you don't know the cardinality, then don't write any cardinality here if you don't know. Better to give like this 1 to star or 0 to star. Okay, 0 to star or 1 to star. Okay, that is the best practice. Otherwise, don't give anything. Okay, if you don't know I mean how many records, some item information will be there. So it will contain lot of records. Okay, and some header information will be there. There will be only one record. So if you don't know this type of things, don't give any cardinality. System will go to there and it will pick the data. Okay, so what will happen if you give some wrong cardinality here? In some cases, it will pick some wrong data. Means, for example, 4 records are available. I am giving something cardinality 1, and it will pick the first record and it will accept the 3 records. Okay, sometimes it will happen like that, but not in frequently. But in rare cases, it will do like that. Okay, that scenario I did not capture, so I will check the scenario also. I mean, when it will behave like that. Okay, um, when it is picking only few records, I will check for that scenario and I will come back. Okay, uh, this one it will take some time and I will check with real-time scenarios to get that type of information. Okay, if you give something cardinality and the data will come improperly. Okay, correct data is not coming. So that scenario I will check and I will let you know. But if you don't know the cardinality, please don't give any cardinality. System by default it will give 0 to 1 or 1 to start something, it will give here. Okay, and anyone have doubts up to here? Something cardinality or association, something how it is applying something joins. So these all things, anyone have doubts here? No doubts, fine. I'm just activating once again. Activated it and click on F8 button. So something data is coming. Now I am right clicking on it. All zeros 5 is there, right? Yeah, sales document number 5 is coming. So right click on it and click on follow association. Now it is, oh, is it? Okay, okay, understood. Activate it, execute it. Now document number 5, right click on it and click on follow association. And we can see 2 associations are coming here. Okay, so by default 0 to 1 is taking. And here I am not mentioning anything. Okay, the cardinality I'm not mentioning anything here. Okay, so by default system is taking 0 to 1 cardinality. Okay, F8. Okay, and right click on something record and click on follow association, and here BBAP cardinality 0 to 1. Okay, so for this 0, I mean document number 5, there will be 0 records or minimum 0 records or maximum 1 record will be there in VBAP. At the same time, KNA1 also minimum 0 records will be there, maximum 1 record will be there. So by default system is taking like that. I'm going for KNA1 table. Okay, customer information is not coming here. Execute it once again. Click on follow association and double click on KNA1. Customer information is not coming, right? 1 minute. The item is coming. I mean, VBAP table information is coming, and coming to the item, it is not coming. But it is not coming here. No, no, 1 minute. Where is this Kunar? I will make it as a key field because this is the okay. What is showing something error? Key must be continuous and start the first position. Fine. So what is it telling? So key field we need to maintain at the starting of the sales query. Okay, don't write in middle. Now let me activate it, execute it here. Now right click on it, click on follow association. Now let me check with the customer number. Data is not coming. Fine. Let me check with I. I is coming, but for K1, it is not coming. What is the issue here? Let me check K11 table first of all. So S11, K11, click on display button. Now click on number of records. 264 records are available. Fine, data is there. And let me execute it once again. And the customer number, I will consider something customer number 171 00001 and click on association and click on here. So it is not coming. So 171 00001 171 00001 and click on execute. I think that is the wrong one. Let me come here once again. Check the customer number 171. Let me copy it. Copy and so this is the customer number. So I will copy it here. Copied and let me check the customer number is available or not. Let me check the number of records. 0 records are available. Fine. I think the data is not coming. The data is not available in KNM table. So let me check something data. What I will do here, I will apply something inner join concept. Okay, inner join concept. Then the common data is available, then only it will pick the data, right? So I'm applying something inner join, just activate and execute it. Now click on F8 button. So same data is coming, but this data is not available in KNA1 table. That's what it is showing here. Something is there on it. Activate it and execute it. No, I will keep it in comment. This I let me do comma remove, activate it and execute it once again. Something customer number, click on follow association and KNA1. Oh, no data is coming. So let me check with other data. So 171 all zeros. Data is not coming. Fine. I think 1 minute we will do like this. Comma, activate it. Something data issue is there. So execute it. So now I am checking for this record, second record. Click on follow association and click on KNA1 information. The data is coming here. Okay, the data is coming, but coming to the this one 171 all zeros one. This is not available in the KNA1 table. That is why it is not displaying any records. So say, I mean, same record I'm applying here 171 all zeros one. Number of records is coming here, 0 records. So that is why it is not displaying the data there. But if the data is available, then it is coming fine. So that is what we can check for second record 1605 all zeros. 16 okay, click on follow association and click on KNA1. See, the data is coming. So whatever the customer number is available in KNA1 table, that data is coming, but a few data has missed here, someone has deleted. So that data is not coming here. Okay, KNA1 table, they have something. But that is not possible. Actually, that is not possible because so we have to create the customer number. After that one, we have to use that customer number while creating the sales order. So that is the process here. But after creating the sales order, giving the customer number, these all things, the customer number has deleted. Okay, so that is a problem. So if the data is available, then the data is coming here. Okay, and I will change it to here. I will remove inner join. Activate it. Let me do it act. Okay, left outer join is working fine, but for right outer join, okay, right outer join is not accepting it here. If you see here, we check here, multiple markers as this line system error. Okay, so it is showing something error. In place of right outer join, I am just applying something left outer join. Okay, then it is not showing any error. Okay, so I will confirm you that associations will apply right outer join or not. Okay, so previously before 7.4, right outer join was not working. Okay, from 7.4 onwards, right outer join is working in SE38 program. Okay, and now coming to the associations concept. So this right outer join is applying or not, I will check and I will confirm you. But left outer join and inner join is working. Okay, but right outer join, not sure. I will let you know this one, right outer join. Okay, fine. Is it okay? Or anyone have doubt, any confusion, any questions? Fine. If you don't have any questions, then we can close this session. And uh, please practice more and more. Otherwise, we will forget the concepts here. Okay. And in real time, we will use associations only. We don't use any inner join, left outer, right outer joins. Okay. Maximum, we will use associations only and practice on it. Okay, and anyone have doubts, then please ping me. Okay, tomorrow we will meet at 6 a.m. Then bye. Jai Hind.